Today you will learn how to create this kind of homemade videos using Sora 2 completely for free, meaning you can download this N8N workflow completely for free through the first link down below in the description. I will show you how to set it up, and this workflow is optimized to create this kind of videos. So before we begin, you can get the workflow completely for free on the link that says Gumroad. It's the first one down below in the description, and then you want to open up your N8N account, 3 and import from files so you can get started with this work. Let's see exactly what kind of videos you want to create today, and I will show you how to set up the workflow to work in your own N8N. It's very simple. You just need to get 2 API keys and get started with. So let's see the video. Okay, so this is a nice video. Let's see the second one.
It's okay, I got you. Just hold on to me, it's fine.
Okay, so these are the two kinds of videos that you can create, and that's what it is. So it's a home camera that captures scene, and then you have the subject, and it's what exactly you prompt. So these videos are going viral right now on TikTok and social media in general. This video has 46,000 views, and this video has 123,000 views. So you can actually create this kind of videos using Sora AI for a very cheap price, completely automatically in N8N. So the first thing you need to do is get an AI Studio API key so you can use Google Chat. The greatest part about this is that our prompt optimizer, our AI agent, can be used completely for free using AI Studio. So what you want to do is come over here, go to aistudio.google.com, and then what you want to do is get API key, create your API key, and then you click on this Google Gemini chat, you create a new credential over here, everything is set up, and you paste the API. It's that simple. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to file.ai, you want to create an account, load up some credits. We're going to be using file.ai to access Sora 2 and the version Sora 2, and that's very important. Then you want to go on manage API keys and get your API key, which you are going to use inside N8N. So you want to come to the first node that says generate video. You want to click it, and you want to create a new header account. So you click that, you write on name authorization, and here you type key space and then paste your API key. And it's that simple. Create your authentication to file.ai. Everything else is pre-set up for you to use. You don't have to set up URLs, you don't have to do anything, and you just want to connect your credentials on the other nodes as well for file.ai to be useful to you. And here is the AI agent. Here we have prompt, give examples, what do we expect from the prompt, and here we say to the model, take this prompt, generate a high quality optimized prompt with it, and this is pretty much it. This is as simple as this, and you can of course change the prompt by clicking the AI agent, but yeah, in all honesty, you will probably not need it. Another thing is that I have added a wait flag, so your video is going to take a little bit of time to get generated, so we gotta be waiting for a little bit till our video is getting completed. And you can of course through File AI you can monitor the situation to make sure that everything works. But before I show you how you can debug anything and get more information about this workflow inside file.ai, I want to let you know that I have a free school community. I have a course on N8N as well as other courses about other kind of stuff. But if you're interested in learning more about N8N, accessing all of our tutorials, videos, workflows, you can find them over here completely for free. It's on the link down below in the description. I would love to see you as part of this community. Really, I think this course is pretty amazing, especially because you get it for free. You're going to learn so many things about N8N, from image to video to text automations, as well as making reliable agents, great agents, hosting N8N completely for free, or whatever paid options you want for your company and business, as well as other AI agents like agents that are able to generate speech or even 3D assets for you completely automatically. So I think this is the best deal in the market, like completely free, cool community that teaches you N8N and a lot of other stuff around AI. So right now, let's go to file.ai. We can browse to Sora 2, just write to the search bar Sora, and what we are using in this case is the text to video model. So we got our costs in general. Let's see the request, and we can see that our request is in progress for 13 minutes. So the availability of file.ai right now is not pretty great. Really, maybe Sora 2 is overwhelmed and overloaded as a model. Maybe everybody's trying some kind of automations. So I don't want to waste your time. I really want to show you the result of this workflow. So I'm going to jump to the final result, but you can already see other videos that we have generated in the past. By the way, if you're interested in generating this kind of doorbell videos, make sure to watch my previous Sora 2 video. It's on my channel. I think you're absolutely going to love it. This could go as well as, completely viral. Look at this. Look at this guy falling down. Like, these are so tremendous, so nice. Think, Sora 2 along with video of point one, which we've all covered on the channel, are going to be creating some super amazing, super viral videos. As we have already seen, if you have been keeping up with social media, like Jake Paul has become a complete trend with the Sora 2 videos that have been generated with face. Here you can see how this is looping, and we're waiting for the generation to happen. The availability is really not that great right now. Like 14 minutes for a video is wait. But yeah, again, the workflow can be downloaded using the link down below in the description. You just your email, you don't pay anything to get this workflow, and it's already set up for you to use just by putting 2 API keys in your own account. And again, you go to 3 dots, import from. So let's get to the final result to see what we actually create. So we finally got the response. Let's check it out together. I really have no idea what kind of video we generated. So here is the video. Let's open it up on a full screen and let's check it out.
Jace, what happened?
He tried the outlet. Are you okay?
LML, this is really insane. Like, okay, it's not perfect quality because we used the cheap version, but let's check it out.
Jace, what happened?
He tried the outlet. Are you okay?
Okay, this is pretty nice. I gotta say, for, you know, using the cheap version of Sora 2, this is pretty amazing. Here is the prompt. Ring camera video of a kid curiously playing near an electrical outlet. Zips out when a dog comes over, pull it away. The parents come in afterwards. So guys, this was like 4 seconds of video generated for 40 cents per second using this video model. So I think that's pretty amazing, in all honesty. Like, it's a very good result from the model. It's a very good result from Sora 2. And yeah, you can get this workflow completely free on the link down below in the description. Go ahead, get it, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.